Hello and welcome to Speak Perfect English. Today, we are going to spend 30 minutes practicing English conversations you use every day. We'll listen, repeat, and speak together, just like talking to a friend. You'll hear a short conversation. Then I'll help you practice each sentence step by step. After that, you'll have a chance to answer yourself. Don't worry, this lesson is friendly and easy. Even if you are shy, you can speak out loud with me. This is how you get better, by practicing out loud. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss a lesson. Are you ready? Let's begin with our first conversation.
At the coffee shop. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. I'd like a coffee, please.
Sure. What size would you like?
I'm good, thank you. I'd like a coffee, please.
Sure. What size would you like?
Medium, please.
Anything else?
Medium, please.
Anything else?
Yes, a blueberry muffin, please.
That sounds delicious.
Yes, a blueberry muffin, please.
That sounds delicious.
It is my favorite.
Great. That's $4.50.
It is my favorite.
Great. That's $4.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your coffee and muffin.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your coffee and muffin.
Thanks.
Enjoy your coffee.
Thanks.
Enjoy your coffee.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Bye.
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 Practice. Repeat after me. Good morning. I'd like a coffee, please. Medium, please. A blueberry muffin, please. That's my favorite. Have a nice day. Now it's your turn. Imagine you are ordering at a coffee shop. What would you like to drink? Would you like something to eat? Say thank you to the barista. At the grocery store. Excuse me. Yes, can I help you? Excuse me. Yes, can I help you? Where is the bread? Aisle 2, on your right. Where is the bread? Aisle 2, on your right. Thank you. And do you have bananas? Yes, they are in the fruit section at the back. Thank you. And do you have bananas? Yes, they are in the fruit section at the back. How much are they? $1.20 per pound. How much are they? $1.20 per pound. I'll take 2 pounds. Anything else? I'll take 2 pounds. Anything else? Do you have milk? Yes, in the dairy section, next to the cheese. Do you have milk? Yes, in the dairy section, next to the cheese. Great, I'll get some. Will that be all? Great, I'll get some. Will that be all? Yes, thank you. Have a nice day. Yes, thank you. Have a nice day. You too. Practice. Repeat after me. Excuse me. Where is the bread? Do you have bananas? I'll take 2 pounds. Will that be all? Have a nice day. Meeting new people. Hi. I'm Anna.
Hello, Anna. I'm Tom.
Nice to meet you, Tom.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from the US.
Oh, that's great. I'm from Brazil.
I love Brazilian food.
Really? Have you visited Brazil?
Not yet, but I want to.
You should, it's beautiful.
I will someday.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, just 2 streets away.
That's close.
Yes, maybe we can meet again.
Sure, that would be nice.
See you soon.
Bye. Practice. Repeat after me. Hi. I'm Anna. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? That's great. You should visit, it's beautiful. See you soon. At the restaurant.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How many people?
Just 2, please.
Right this way.
Thank you.
Here are your menus.
Thanks.
Would you like something to drink?
Water, please.
And for you?
Lemonade, please.
Are you ready to order?
Yes. I'll have the chicken salad.
And for you?
Pasta, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Your order will be ready soon.
Practice. Repeat after me. Good evening. Just 2, please. Water, please. I'll have the chicken salad. No, that's all. Your order will be ready soon. Asking for directions.
Excuse me.
Yes?
How do I get to the library?
Go straight, then turn left at the traffic light.
Is it far?
No, it's about 5 minutes on foot.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Is there a cafe near the library?
Yes, right across the street.
Perfect.
Enjoy your day.
Thanks, you too.
Bye.
Bye.
Practice. Repeat after me. Excuse me. How do I get to the library? Is it far? Thank you very much. Is there a cafe near the library? Enjoy your day.
Hello.
Hi, doctor.
How are you today?
I have a headache.
How long have you had it?
3 days.
Any other symptoms?
A little dizziness.
Let's check your temperature.
Okay.
It's normal. Drink more water and rest.
Thank you.
Come back if it gets worse.
I will. Practice. Repeat after me. Do you have an appointment? I have a headache. 3 days. Any other symptoms? Drink more water and rest. Come back if it gets worse. At work, small talk. Good morning. Good morning. How was your weekend? It was great. I went hiking. Nice. Where? At Blue Mountain. I visited my family. That sounds nice. Ready for the meeting? Yes, I finished my report last night. Good job. Thank you. Coffee after work? Sure. Great. See you later. See you. Practice. Repeat after me. Good morning. How was your weekend? I went hiking. That sounds nice. Ready for the meeting? Coffee after work? Shopping for clothes.
Can I help you find something?
Yes, I'm looking for a blue shirt.
What size do you need?
Medium, please.
Here you go.
Can I try it on?
Sure. The fitting rooms are over there.
Thank you.
How does it fit?
It fits well.
Great. How much is it?
$25?
Yes.
I'll take it.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thanks. Bye. Practice. Repeat after me. Can I help you find something? I'm looking for a blue shirt. Medium, please. Can I try it on? It fits well. I'll take it.